are the Hoagishim Trio. And today we're going to be doing a build and review. So recently we were watching the Rebuild the Galaxy, Star Wars on a new show they have out. And in that, everything's flip-flop. So who's good is bad, who's bad is good. We thought it was a really silly concept. We love building, so we went ahead and ordered a set that we're going to put together with you today. We'll review it. This is an honest, unsponsored review, and obviously all copyrights and intellectual property belongs to Legos, Star Wars, Lucasfilm, not us. So, honest review. So with that, let's see what we got today. We have here the Dark Falcon. This is a pretty large set. It's going to take us a while, according to the internet. It's 4 to 7 hours of a build. So obviously we're going to open it up, see what we got, and then we'll go ahead and speed up the film.
Can I make all the people?
We're going to make them all, Luca, don't worry.
Let's make the people first. Okay? Good. Well, that's a lot of Legos. Get into the dark side.
Now you're trapped forever. And now we're done.
Yay!
This is a pretty intense build for a kid. Not gonna lie, this took us about 6.5, 7 hours of total build time, not including breaks. It's pretty nice though. It's very detailed. I'm impressed with how much stuff moves and you can change and how much detail's on the inside. This is a pretty cool set. My favorite part about building it is probably just that, how customizable everything is on the inside. Obviously, I'm much more fond of the dark side, so I liked all of the new takes on the characters myself. What about you, Athena? What did you like?
I liked building it. It was fun to build it.
You liked building it? What was your favorite part to build?
The inside.
The inside? Like what? The bedrooms or what?
The bedrooms and all the TV that I built.
Oh, the TV. What about you, Luca? What was your favorite part?
I liked building Luke and the girl.
The Darth Ray? The girl with the double lightsaber?
Huh?
That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, I made it.
You did. It's all right. Now we're gonna open it up and let's play with it a little bit, right?
Yeah. Don't choose Luke. Jedi Veil. I get what? Save me, I'm Luke. If you like this build, don't forget to like and subscribe.